All right. Okay, so let's add a let's subdivide this thing. A few times and let's add a, I'm just going to add a subdivision surface. And now I want to drive the displacement and the base color. Let's set this to some nice blue, okay? And we need a displacement. And under material, let's set quickly the displacement and settings to displacement and bump. So now if we yeah, something like this. Let's plug the result into height. Which is very, very crude. So let's increase resolution. And now we would want to use different color for the rocks. So we have to add a color, right? Or a color mixer. Because we are going to mix maybe I just have to figure it out. So if I plug this here, yeah, so this should be this. And not really. So we want to convert the, how is it going? We want to use this mask we generated here. Yeah, here comes the difficult part, right?